Welcome to this video on creating impactful ad copy with effective prompts. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain how to write effective copy for crafting ad copies, discuss key elements of AI-generated ad copies, and explore common prompt templates for digital advertising. Imagine running a marketing campaign with a generative AI tool to create compelling ad copies. To achieve the best results, you must provide clear, well-structured prompts. Mastering the art of crafting effective prompts is useful for generating high-performing, persuasive ad content that drives engagement and conversions. With strong prompts, you can create quality ad copy, enhance digital advertising, and improve campaign performance with a more targeted, engaging tone. Refining your prompts saves time, reduces reliance on professional copywriters, and cuts costs while maintaining high-quality results. To create effective prompts that generate ad copies, establish key elements. Firstly, focus on clarity, stating the purpose of the ad and target audience. Next, emphasize the product or service, including the details, unique selling points or USPs, tone of voice that you want, and platform in which you intend to advertise. Then use action-oriented language to instruct AI to use persuasive and actionable words that will drive a specific action by the reader. And lastly, consider formatting instructions. Provide details of what you want and how much you want. Remember, platforms such as Google AdWords have specific character limits. Hence, specify to the AI tool the word count or style, for example, headline only. Further, let's explore the common tried and tested prompt templates for creating ad copy that can simplify the process of creating effective prompts. First is the call to action or CTA focus. The template specifies what you want to create, the action you desire, and the key benefits you want to showcase. Here is an example of a shoe brand. Next is the problem solution format, where the prompt template showcases the problem and the solution. Lastly, event-specific prompts can be created with another template that gives details of a sales event, promoting specific products and sale incentives. When you provide a prompt, the initial output produced by the tool may not be ideal. In such cases, consider refining your prompt to provide a higher degree of granularity. Remember to alter the prompt with feedback loops by reviewing the initial output and adjusting the prompt for more precise results. Next, layering instructions by adding details to refine tone, structure, or content. And lastly, experimentation, where you test multiple prompt variations to find the best performing ad copy. For example, when your input is write an ad copy for meal subscription trial service, you will not get the desired output. However, when you refine the prompt in detail, mentioning the keywords, the AI generates more precise or descriptive, ready-to-use content. Several tools and platforms can be integrated with your primary generative AI tool to enhance prompt quality. For example, ChatGPT offers various plugins, such as the code interpreter and web browsing, to streamline and improve the prompt writing process. Some of the tools, such as PromptForge, PromptStorm, Jasper, and Copy.ai, provide pre-built templates which you can explore to create the ad copies. Furthermore, some platforms such as Ubersuggest and Junia.ai include keyword suggestions to align prompts with search engine optimization, or SEO, and pay-per-click or PPC goals. Mastering how to craft prompts that will help you generate the desired ad copy can significantly enhance your digital advertising. Starts with saving time and effort by generating high-quality, ready-to-use ad copies. Improves campaign performance through better tonality of voice for your targeted audience. Reduces the dependency on professional ad copywriters and saves money. Even with the right tools, creating effective prompts requires practice and strategic thinking. The major challenge is ambiguous or generic prompts that can lead to poor output. Here are some tips to avoid ambiguity. Use descriptive language and include specific details about the target audience and goals. The more you explain your point to the AI, the more likely you are to get a higher quality output. In this video, you learned that well-crafted prompts help AI tools understand your requirements and generate ad copy that aligns with marketing goals. The key elements of effective prompts include clarity, product, action-oriented language, and formatting instructions. Some of the effective prompt templates are CTA focus, problem solution, and event-specific. The iterative and refining prompts are feedback loops, layering instructions, and experimentation. The benefits of mastering prompt basics are saving time and effort, improving campaign performance, reducing dependency, and the major challenge in writing prompts is ambiguous or generic prompts, which can be avoided by including descriptive language and specific details about the target audience and goals.